She goes, and we have it. Yes. Nice. Hello YouTube. Hello guys. Today I will try this Shimano SLX DC reel on this Ace Hawk rod. I put this together and I will try to catch trouts on it. So let's see, can you catch trouts with this Shimano SLX DC? Let's go. Let's see how this works. Okay, nice. I can throw well. It's a good distance for this tiny lure. Yeah. Nice. Now let's go try to catch fish. Oh, we got a fish. Yes. Nice. Beautiful fish. Brown. Nice fish. Look at this. Beautiful brown. Let's release this fish. There she goes. See you next time, buddy. Bye. The fish is taking flies here. Let's try to catch that. Oh, I can see that fish. It's a nice fish. Let's see. Not that one. Yeah. Oh man. Oh shit. She take our bait, but yeah. And she's going again. Okay. Interesting. Let's see, will this fish take this bait second time? Oh, she doesn't want to take it. Let's go further. Okay guys, we have fish. Yep. It's a small one, but it's a fish. Nice, healthy, brown. Look at this. Healthy fish. Nice. Let's release. Goodbye. See you next time. Let's go further. Oh, I throw it a little bit too far. And this is not good. No. Nice. Okay. I hope I will not lose this lure today. Phew. Oh, we got a fish, guys. And I think it's a bigger one. I mean, it's not too big, but it's a good one. Nice. It's not a bigger, but it's a little. It's a fatty. And she take 3 hook. Okay, for this one I will use this. Look at this, guys, huh? Big. It's not too big, but it's a nice brownie. See you next time, buddy. There she goes. See her there? Yeah. Nice! We have fish. Yeah. This is nice, guys. No. No. Don't go. Don't go to the grass. I mean, look at this, guys. She's small but fat. This is healthy fish. Let's release this brown. There she goes. Yeah, we have that fish. Oh man, this is small brownie. Small, beautiful brown. See you about it next time. Yeah, we have fish. Nice. Look at this. On a BFS. See ya, buddy. And there she goes. Okay, guys and girls, if you are wondering, can you use this Shimano SLX DC for trout? My answer is yes. You just need a proper line and a proper rod, and you can use it for trout fishing. Also, this reel is a multi-purpose, I think. Just a proper rod and you can catch almost everything on it. So that would be it for today, and see you next time. Bye.